Hello, I'm Mrs. Jim. You're welcome to the classroom. Today we'll be learning to read two-letter word sentence. Remember that two-letter words are words with only two alphabets or two letters. But before we read our two-letter word sentence, let's quickly refresh our memories with our two-letter words in this two-letter word song. A-T, at, A-S, as, A-M, A-N, an, I-T, it, I-S, is, I-F, if, I-N, in, T-O, to, O-S, ox, O-R-O, O-N, on, G-O, go, D-O, do, N-O, no, O-F, off, S-O, so, W-E, we, U-P, up, U-S, us, H-E, he, H-I, hi, M-E, me, M-Y, my, B-E-B, B-Y, by, two-letter words, Now I know my two-letter words, yeah, Now I can read two-letter sentence, Now I know my two-letter words, yeah. So now let's read our two-letter word sentence. Our first example is this. D-O, do, W-E, we, G-O, go, O-N, on. Now let's try to read the sentence. Do we go on? Do we go on? A second example is this. I-S, is, I-T, it, A-N, an, O-S, ox. Is it an ox? Is it an ox? Our next example is I-S, is, H-E, he, I-N, in, O-N, on, I-T, it. Now let's try and read. Is he in on it? Is he in on it? That means, does he know about it? Is he involved in it? Our next example is this. I-S, is, H-E, he, I-N, in. Is he in? Is he in? And this is our last example. H-E, he, I-S, is, I-N, in. He is in. He is in. I want you to practice reading two-letter word sentence with this homework I'll be leaving you with. So this is the first one. I-S, is, H-E, he, T-O, to, G-O, go, O-N, on. I want you to read the sentence. And the second one is I-S, is, I-T, it, M-Y, my, O-X, ox. I want you to read this sentence. And the last one is I-S, is, I-T, it, B-Y, by, M-E, me. Practice reading these three sentences and it will help you to master reading your two-letter words. Practice, follow and subscribe. See you in the next class.